For anyone suffering from a bad case of the midweek blues, Bollywood's got the perfect remedy for you. From the latest NCB crackdown on the drug case linked to SSR death to Kriti confirming her COVID-19 test results, Deepika Padukone and her authentic smile being immortalized. Here are the top headlines of the day. Those loyal fans still following the Sushant Singh Rajput death case will be relieved to know that the Narcotics Control Bureau has finally been able to sniff out a drug trial that led straight to the absconding accused identified as Rajal Mahakal. The NCB has arrested him in the drugs case linked to the actor's death. They also seized a contraband Malana cream worth Rs 2.5 crores from a certain Azam Sheikh who allegedly supplied drugs to Anush Keshwani, who further sold drugs to Kazan, who then sold it to others, one of whom allegedly included Ria and Shovik. The officials are calling it the biggest seizure of drugs in the case till date and claim that this arrest has broken the supply chain in this drugs case. In some less controversial news, Kriti Sanon confirmed all her COVID-19 positive status, but it was her cheery and positive outlook that won everyone over. Taking to her social media handles, the actress shared, "There's absolutely nothing to worry as I am feeling fine and have quarantined myself as per BMC and my doctor's advice. So I'm gonna ride this tide, rest it out and resume work soon." Be sure to leave her a message cause fan mail and comments are what she's gonna be reading for a while. Be safe guys, the pandemic hasn't gone yet. She's signed off. While Kriti is in recovery mode, it's lights, camera, action time for Alia Bhatt, who kicked off her RRR shoot on an emotional note. Our bees tell us that the actress filmed an emotional sequence with hunky male co-stars Ram Charan and Rama Rao Jr. Buzz is that although a week-long schedule is on the cards, it could well extend to 10 days and Alia will have to return next year for 2 more schedules before SS Rajamouli calls it a wrap. In some more news, contrary to the reports that Alia has purchased a flat in Ranbir's building, sources tell our bees that the actress has only rented out the space to use it as a studio and for meetings only. We can also confirm that Alia took possession of the space just last week on December 1st after closing off the deal in November. Those flying off to Athens anytime soon will be pleasantly surprised to find Deepika Padukone greeting you on arrival. A stunning bust of the actress is on display at an exhibition of authentic smiles. Fans spotted the sculpture and made sure it reached everyone's timeline on social media. Wonder what DP has to say about this. And finally, in case these didn't help with those pesky blues, here's a shirtless, ripped, perfectly sculpted and well-oiled photo of the most eligible bachelor of B-Town, Salman Khan. Take a good long look at those abs because you don't get to see them too often. For those wondering what this picture was all about, well, it was just Salman being strong. This bee's gotta pump the iron and work on those arms, but we'll be back tomorrow with more where this came from. Bye-bye.